Hi, I'm Russ Cockburn, and the course I'm delivering today and at other times during the year on behalf of Quorum Training Limited is Practical Tax Issues for Expatriate Employees and Their Employers. Delegates who should come on this course are those who deal on a day-to-day basis with payroll and personal and employment tax issues for people going overseas to work for the company or people coming to the UK to work for the company. The course covers, in a fairly informal and interactive way, dealing with the residence and domicile issues in the legislation and in the law and practice for taxes in the UK. So it looks at the statutory residence test, pay-as-you-earn and payroll issues for people coming to the UK or being sent overseas on behalf of their employer, based around the UK's 2013 statutory residence test. The course is delivered in a fairly informal, and I try to be relaxed and interactive, so questions from delegates are encouraged. Quite often I get delegates with specific examples about a particular employee being brought to the UK from overseas. For example, does the short-term business visitor scheme apply? Or being sent overseas to work in various different fiscal jurisdictions, what are the implications for both income tax, social security and other taxes that might impact on either them or their employer when they're on secondment in the UK or overseas. Delegates who normally come on this course are those working in industry and commerce, in payroll departments or HR departments, who come across outsourcing or into the UK employee repositioning issues around, say, travel expenses, employment taxes, social security issues, dealing with the UK tax implications and also the potential use of special pay-as-you-earn schemes like equalisation or short-term business schemes on a regular basis. So anyone dealing with those issues, particularly travel issues on a regular basis from a tax perspective, would find this course of interest. And finally, just to let you know, I'm a practicing tax consultant dealing with a lot of employee taxes issues on a regular basis for companies small and large. I'm a former tax inspector, so I have a bit of insight from the HMRC's perspective, which I hope adds to the flavour of the day. The course is dealt with on a fairly informal basis. Questions are asked and questions are welcomed during the course, so it's very informal. Although we've got material to get through, we tend to just deal with questions as they come up, and I tend to try and bring my ex-inspector's experience to bear on the course as well to give a bit of an insight in how these issues are dealt with on a practical basis day to day.